Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amarachi, Mara's Kitchen, and today I'm showing you how to make the fluffiest, most delicious pancakes ever. So grab your whisk, let's get into it.
Perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Got your face stuck in the mirror and I keep finding your hair. Got a big box in my closet with the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you
So we are using 1 cup of flour for this recipe. This is the proper way to measure your flour. Don't carry it like a thief. I'm sorry, Shampoo. You get me? Like, this is the proper way for you to do your measurement. We will start by mixing our dry ingredients together. In a sieve, add your 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
check our playlist, put it on low in the car, and your jacket's on the hanger, right where you left it in March. Every night I'm on my phone, like maybe you'll text me.
And why I'm doing this, because I want it to be smooth. I don't want to have lumps in it. See, even from this video, I'm sure you can see how smooth this thing is. Like, it's looking so smooth. And for your melted butter in a hot pan, add your butter and cook on a low heat. That's just it. And your butter and your melted butter is ready. So after melting it, just leave it to cool down. For the egg, we'll be separating the egg white from the yolk, so just open it in a way that you can separate the egg white from the yolk. After separating the egg, just put the yolk inside the dry ingredients and set it aside. Now to the egg. You see this one, is it that you use fork, but if you use fork your hand will pain you, so I suggest you use this hand mixer. Like, it's easier, but you can still do it with fork. I don't know, but you can still do it with fork, but your hand is gonna pain you big time. This is what we have after 5 minutes or 7 minutes of mixing. Add to your dry ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then mix together. Yeah, mix. So after making sure you now have a smooth paste, it's time for you to introduce the egg whites. See, don't mix this part very well. Just take your time, mix it slowly, don't mix it very well. See what I'm just doing with here? It's good that way, and we are done. Now for you to fry it. Once you see these bubbles and openings, that's when to flip your pancake. And remember, cook on a low medium heat. And that's it for this recipe, guys. If you love what you see, just click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, like and share, please.